In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change refresh rate on Samsung Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to configure the refresh rate on your Samsung TV and possibly enable higher refresh rates. Now, something that I need to make very clear is most models, even from Samsung or other manufacturers, will have this feature locked, and they will not allow you to access the refresh rate configuration options. However, depending on the model that you have, you will be able to enable or disable this accordingly. So all that you have to do to see if your specific model allows you to customize this is to go into the settings. So pick up your remote, go into the settings, and you have to look into the picture settings for your Samsung TV. Go into expert settings. So it should be the last option under the default category of picture. When you choose expert settings, you will have to look for auto motion plus settings. Now, obviously, as the name suggests, this isn't going to be strictly refresh rate. Even looking through the options, you can clearly tell that you will not be able to pick between common numbers like 50, 60, 75, 120, and so on. So why is this the case? Sadly, like I mentioned, most models will not allow you to change the refresh rate because of the way things are broadcast. Most TV manufacturers will just pick a refresh rate and lock their TV to it. However, if you connect your specific Samsung TV to a computer, for example, or a console such as the PlayStation 5 or an Xbox, and you go into the settings for that specific device, then you will be able to change the refresh rate. However, this has to be done on the device. So if you are using your Samsung Smart TV with a console or a PC, then you just go into the settings on Windows or the console, and in there you will be able to change the refresh rate. However, changing it for the TV might not be an option. But you can still use Auto Motion Plus to make it seem like you have higher refresh rate. By making the image less blurry, less jittery, and more clear, you will be able to essentially get the same upsides as having higher refresh rates. So configure these options if you don't have it connected to a PC or PlayStation or Xbox, and you will be able to notice a difference. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.